In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front inner bumper bracket on this Volkswagen Jetta wagon. This is going to be located underneath the front headlights. Let's get into it. We're going to take these screws out up top, use a T25 socket, take these out. Now underneath the grill, just going to reach in here, pull it out. It's just clipped in. Just kind of fold it down a little bit to release the clips. Might be a little stuck. Just pull it out. You can see those are the clips. It's just clipped in. Pull that out. I'm going to remove the screws, use a T25 socket. Take that out, and you want to do the same on the other side. Using a T25 socket, we're going to take these screws out. Those are out. Now on the inner fender wells, we're going to take these screws out. You can just push the tire to the side a little bit. Take these screws out. Same T25 socket. And then there's one going up, right near the bumper. Take that out. Grab the bumper. Just pull that out. You're going to do the same on the other side. Now reach in here where the turn signal is. You're going to have to grab the socket and pull that out. It just pulls out. Do that on both sides. And if your vehicle has fog lights, when you pull this out a little more, you're going to want to disconnect those. This vehicle does not, and it comes right off. We're going to remove these screws, use a T30 socket. Take those out. And down below, use the same T30 socket, take this screw out. Then you're going to reach down, there's a connector right here. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver just to release the lock tab. You could use a pick. Disconnect the connector. Grab the headlight assembly, and just slide it forward. Comes right out. Then we're going to take these screws out on the front, use a T30 socket. Take that screw out. Get a magnet. And pull this screw out. Grab the bracket, and it comes right out. Now take the bracket, slide it in position, get the bolts started. And the other one. We'll tighten those down. That's good. Now we'll install the headlight. While you're pushing this in, you can grab on the back side and get the connector and get that lined up. There we go. connector, connect the connector, lock it in place. Now take these bolts, get these started. And down below. And we'll tighten these down. Snug those down. And it would be the same process for the other side. I'm going to take the bumper cover, get this lined up. And take the marker bulbs and socket, get those lined up on the side, push those down, do the same to the other side. And just push the bumper in, just clips in place. That's good. Now take the screws, get these started, tighten these down. And all of these. Snug those down, do the same on the other side. And take these screws, get these started. Get those lined up. And we'll snug these down. And do the same on the other side. I'm going to put these screws in. Snug those down on both sides. Slide the grill in place, just underneath. It's going to snap in. That lines up. All right, that's good. Now take the screws and snug these down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.